Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must act now. You need admin rights and the recovery key accessible. Open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt immediately. This gives you direct control. First, check current Bitlocker activity with Manage BDE status C, so you can see whether decryption is in progress and the percentage complete. Once done, note the volume letter and protection status. That information determines the exact stop command and prevents accidental data loss. Make sure to pause other disk-heavy tasks before continuing. Now stop the decryption by using control commands so you preserve data integrity. Run Manage BDE Pause C to temporarily halt activity. This is safe for short interruptions. If you intend to stop permanently, disable protectors with Manage BDE Protectors Disable C and recheck status with Manage BDE Status C to ensure the drive is no longer decrypting. While commands run, watch Event Viewer for Bitlocker entries so you understand what happened and can react quickly. Finish by confirming the drive state. Run Manage BDE Status C and make sure protection and decryption direction match your goal. If Bitlocker unexpectedly resumes, re-enable or reapply protectors, or reboot into safe mode and repeat the stop step to regain control. Keep the recovery key secure because it's your last resort to unlock and repair a problematic volume. One troubleshooting tip: if commands fail, check for pending Windows updates or Bitlocker group policy settings that can force re-encryption and address those before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.